Let's go. Welcome back.
Yay.
It's been what, 2 years?
2 years.
2 years, bro. What has changed? What's up? How are you?
Oh God, a lot has changed. Life has changed completely. That I was crying over not having enough work, and now I think I'm not crying, but there's a lot going on in terms of like there are so many stores now. I have ventured into hospitality business, Malkin Hostel in Goa, and wanting to expand niche hair, but into different product lines where there's hair care, there's tools and stuff.
Damn, you sound so.
She sounded like this is like a paid episode, you know.
I got so excited.
She's
You
like, you know
asked
what,
me about
guys?
my child. Will I not get excited? Look at me. I'm crossing the mic. Here.
Yeah. No, I think the last time we did it, we all had hair on. So I think the conversation was very silly.
Do you still want it?
You have some?
मैं अपने निकाल के दे देती हूँ यार.
No, yaar, it's okay. You're looking
It's
beautiful
okay.
with it. Keep
Which one wants it?
What, your hair?
Pick.
We both have our own. So, should we tell her?
I mean, yeah. I think at this point you can tell.
Yeah, we can. So, basically, if let's say ever the two of us are out
Huh.
and we see an attractive woman that both of us like,
Okay.
now there has to be an understanding. No, everyone can't be hitting on the same girl.
Okay.
So, we both go for either rock, paper, scissors, or we play order even, depending on what the scene, on how loudly we can hear each
I
other.
think it's the only fair way. Because otherwise,
Yeah, I mean, see, then it's destiny.
But
to
do
which-
you have a same type?
Very
Like explain.
order, rock, paper, scissors.
Please explain what's your type.
no, what is a type? At this point,
Huh.
like, what is a type? Like if you're
anything
going
that's-
out just based on looks, you're telling, no? So then.
Huh, so but let's say you end up seeing what do you like, petite girl, tall girl, like that way I'm
Also,
asking
we
the type
can't
because
like.
dekh ke to you can only judge how physically a person looks, right?
Although we can only like from far, we're not.
Neither of us are tall enough.
What's your height?
5'6" or 5'7".
You?
5'8".
Okay.
So
No,
we
it's for the
can't really
people who've
like-
only seen you till here in
Yeah.
your podcast.
Yeah.
They should know
They-
what's your
Bro, so people.
Does it happen? They're like, "Hey,
they're
आप लोग
"Hey,
छोटे
you're
हो."
so-"
It's damn embarrassing, bro.
This guy, our producer Prashant, when I met him for the first, he was an editor from like, he was working remote. Then he came to meet me for the first time. The first thing he said, he's like, hey.
So mean.
It's actually happened. Like, there's this one very famous cricketer. He's huge.
Uh-huh.
Like 6'4". I don't think we were expecting him also to be that tall. He looks at the... Because
You
the two
can
of us...
say who it was, bro.
It's a-
We met KL Rahul at a party.
Yeah.
And he
Okay.
looks at us and he's like, hey, you guys are so small.
He's like, you guys are so small, man. I wouldn't expect you all to be this short.
Good, and now people know your height. So what
Yeah.
are you into? Short, petite girls?
He...
I'll take that as a yes.
No, it's, I mean, if you look at my past, you could say that. But now I think I've grown up a bit, so I'm over that obsession. Now I just like anyone who I can have a conversation with, have a
No, but
real
both of you
connection
end up
with.
seeing and you like before starting a conversation. What's
Ye-
that? Let's say 3 things you both look into
Three
and,
things.
and you both like. Like for some people, it's like, oh, she has long hair or she has short hair or maybe she's Northeastern. You know, people have
Northeastern.
types, yeah.
Northeastern
A friend of
is
mine,
nice.
he's like, I only like Northeastern chicks.
Why?
I don't know. He
Because
finds
he
them
likes
cute.
Asian chicks, and in India, that's the closest thing.
Closest. Fair.
Maybe.
So, no, I like pretty girls.
Wow.
So that's very generic.
But
Like,
that
what
is
do you-
very-
what's
like
common between both of you in terms of liking?
We
Liking women.
we like pretty girls.
We both like pretty girls. Genuinely.
Like conventionally pretty. Like someone that, like a girl who's grown up knowing that she's pretty.
Not even grown up who knows she's pretty right now.
But how would you tell? Let's say you went to Game Palacio and you
Okay.
saw like 6 chicks and both of you were like, "Arey, that girl in pink skirt is
We'll
cute." So
know. We'll
Game
already know.
Palacio, if we're there, the girls are already too young. Like that's Game Palacio. Mein we shouldn't be.
We shouldn't
at
be
a-
looking at Game Palacio.
No, but it's. I mean, you can tell, yaar. If you see a girl and she's pretty, you know she's pretty. It's- I don't
Even
know.
you'll have like a type.
I thought I had. Then it changed for me now.
Now what is it?
So I always liked tall, fair guys with beard. Like that was the type. And now again, it's just I think once you grow
Once
older,
you're
you
older.
like whoever you can have a good chat with, how they are, if they are good people or not. So yeah.
Yeah, suddenly the filters reduce, I think.
Yeah,
at the time.
because then you're like, this person has to be a nice person and not toxic and should not make you cry,
But how
should
are you
not tell
gonna
you
know
who to
that?
message.
She's coming out with a real list.
Wow, producer sir.
Yeah, good job, bro.
Good
His
job.
phone never rings, bro.
He's
I've
got
never
an
heard it ring.
attitude. Last episode,
Mera silent hai na.
we gave him a camera and a mic from there only. So he was a part of the podcast. Like we talked to him also. Now he's got an
Oh.
attitude. He puts his phone on loud. I saw this video of yours where you were saying you're into younger guys now.
I thought I could have a better conversation with them.
How much younger?
I mean, just younger and smarter. Like, just should be smart. Can't be younger like a 19-year-old. Oh, dude, we had this conversation last time
What?
about how young or somebody said I like younger chicks only. I think it was you.
What?
Sounds like me.
Yeah.
Some things never change.
But bro, that's
But now
so
it's like, I want to go to
crazy.
Game Palacio, you know?
Nahi, that right before you came, we were talking about something, and I said,
Sorry, my shoes are making noise. I'm not farting.
it's okay.
It's just, see?
See, you're not making a good case for yourself by saying that.
Because I don't want, अरे यार पारुल ने बात दिया podcast में. I don't want that on Reddit tomorrow.
It's fine. I think that position is taken
मैं
by
हक सकती
someone.
हूँ यहाँ पे इतनी गारंटी है.
Nahi, I was saying ki right before you came, we were talking about something, and I said, bro, I'd say strictly 24 plus. Like I'm done with.
Why?
Just I think I'm 27 now. So anything below that is, I think, a bit weird. And also, it's just like, what do I have in common with someone who's like 22, 23? और मैं घर पे मुझे बीटी हो रही है, वो रोज बाहर जा रही है. I'm like, अरे, like
Are you one of those like you would be
not,
like
not in an insecure
You
way.
better.
Not in an insecure way. Like, what are you doing with your life? Types.
Oh.
Like, you're out partying every night. What the fuck? Which is unfair because I did the same when I was that age.
That's true.
But like, I don't want to put myself in the position where I'm parenting someone. So
I think we girls like parenting a little bit. So
let him try the 24 plus club for some time.
For how long? You said this 2 years ago that you didn't like. That's what you said, na? You were just having. You were having
just
conversation
now.
before
now.
you came,
Oh, sorry.
before you
Today
came.
in the afternoon we had this conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're just gonna start now. Looking.
It starts today for him.
Starts today.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Do you know anyone?
I may.
24 plus.
24 plus, pretty,
Pretty.
has something going on. Like, jobless, I can't do. I'm sorry. I've been with enough. Because I'll tell you what the problem is when a girl is jobless, they have not much, they don't have much going on. So all they do is they sit and think about how do I like poke this guy? And I don't have space for that in my life.
Looks like it has happened a lot with him.
That's why I'm just laughing. I'm not saying anything.
Yeah.
Cute.
So that's the thing. But how do you think it would go for you with a younger guy? Have you been with anyone?
I had the best conversations with the younger lot. Only.
How much younger?
3-4 years only.
No.
Not just like कि मैं 19 साल के लड़के से बात करूँ. And I don't think a 19 साल का लड़का would want to talk to me.
They
I mean,
would.
you'd be-
Trust
you'd
me,
be surprised.
You'd be surprised.
No, yeah, again, has to be a little smarter, have some ambition in life. I mean, I've dated, like, I can't say dated, just like gone out with this guy who was 40 and still kind of like jobless, sitting and just so toxic, constantly telling me what to do because he was just, and I dated this person for 3 months. It felt like I was with this person for an eternity where he
That's
just
true love.
tortured me. No!
3 months felt like a lifetime. It's true.
Yeah,
love.
it felt just like so long. I wanted to just get out of it.
Are you out of
So
it?
Toxic, yeah.
Okay.
Just 3 months में तो क्या ही सच्चा प्यार होता है.
I mean, पहले तो होता था यार. Now, like my
नहीं, मुझे उस वक्त लगा था हुआ था सच्चा प्यार. Don't laugh. मुझे लगा oh my god, this is it. Mature guy, very hot, like extremely hot, but toxic pro max.
There's a give and take, na? Parth?
Yeah,
you have
but
to understand.
so I realize very good looking guys and older guys, and if they know they are good looking, because if you see the ratio, गर्ल्स
there's a
के लिए
reason
कितने
he's
लड़के हैं और लड़कों के लिए कितनी लड़कियां हैं, वो एक डिफरेंट रेशियो है.
Which one's more? Like there are more
there are more girls and they're much more prettier. They take care of themselves or they just look good, right? They put their best foot forward. And in guys, there are very few who take good care of themselves. So immediately they're attractive. So like the ratio is probably 80 girls are eyeing one guy.
Yeah.
Hi.
And for you guys, it would be like, oh, there are 80 girls. So we can see.
I mean, it
Rock,
depends.
paper,
It depends on.
We shouldn't have told her the secret. Next time we're in public and she sees both of us doing this, she knows
I'm
what's
like,
going on.
conventional, pretty, 24 plus girl.
She's looking around.
No, then it depends. Now it depends on what you're looking for. Like like if you're just trying to have fun, then you're looking for something. You're not that specific. But if you're looking for someone to actually consider having a relationship with, then the factors just increase. Whether you're a girl or a guy. Like.
Yeah, no, I understand what you're saying. I think every time I started going out with somebody, I'm somebody who gets very quickly serious. Then I'm just like, oh, I'm not here to have just fun. I want to know if there's stability. So I'm always looking for that. But not that I've done that a lot. Last time I spoke about, there was like a 6-year relationship and then 6 or 7 years. Oh God, Yugu was there the other day. Something happened. Something really crazy happened. We were at Bastion. It was insane. I'll tell you off camera this one.
Oh, no, I was there for that.
You were there, right? And Yugo turned and he's like, is he your 7 years? And I'm like, oh shit. So he came. There was this another girl.
Okay, I know this.
Right?
He knows the story.
And
Okay.
you can share it to the world if you want.
No, I don't want to.
Okay.
So, but this lovely girl who was also very famous, and I don't want to take her name, but
She just said she won't share it.
I
And
won't
she's
share the
going
name. But she had matched with somebody, and that person had just come. And we were at this gin fest, I think.
No,
we all were
at
there.
Lollapalooza.
Lollapalooza.
This is a year and a half ago.
Yeah.
Damn.
And I got down from the car. I see this person and I'm so drunk. And I'm like, I've seen this person somewhere. And I said, hi. He was my ex. I walk in and I'm just like, babe, do you know what happened? Because she called me there and Yugo called me there. I'm like, babe, do you know what happened? She's like, I matched with him. I was like, oh, it took me. And I was so drunk. It took me at least 5 minutes to put everything together.
What a.
And then I went up and I was so drunk and I was just like खुद से ही sad हो रही थी. अरे मैं life में कितनी sad हूँ. वो move on कर गया, मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. So yeah.
That's the day you moved on.
That's the day I downloaded that same app.
To match with him?
I think I saw him for a few days and he blocked me.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's how it usually goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How would you react if you see your ex on a dating app?
What
How do
like
you
what audacity do you have any negative reaction to that? You've
When you
seen her
yourself
on the
are on
app. You're on the app and you've seen them on the app.
Yeah,
So-
but why
Yeah,
would
I
I
just
feel
like-
that? It felt because this breakup was like a real one, right? So, but it was. I got to know within 8 days, my best friend messaged me that he's on that app after I broke up with him. So I was just like, wow, it took him 8 days, 7 years, and just 8 days. And okay, I had also downloaded once I fought with him just to show him, like year before the
Yeah.
main breakup. So I'm not a saint.
Year before the main breakup.
Main breakup. So I'm not saying I'm a saint or I'm whatever. Just to get, like, I was done and I was very angry. So I downloaded that app. I didn't do anything and I deleted. But then the main breakup, I think he was just getting back, or I forgive him.
He's not.
He hasn't even asked.
He hasn't
for
apologized.
forgiveness. He's probably like blocked. But I forgive him.
No, last time I had said something in the interview. It travels, no?
Yeah.
I think, he
I think it
saw.
was here only.
This one, you were kind enough to cut it for me, what I spoke about.
Yeah.
So,
नहीं bro, होता है. Like
और मैं बोलूँगी ये भी ऐसे वो जो इतना ज़्यादा बकवास कर दिया थोड़ा सा.
नहीं यार, it's this at this point, like anyone could be saying this, and what you just said is so relatable to so
Yeah.
many people, because everyone has that one relationship that just drags for years, and then there's multiple breakups, and then there's one final breakup where you both realize, okay, we're not good for each other.
Yeah.
I think I have to.
I'm not at all classy. I'm just like running my mouth and how about my past relationships. I should shut up.
But you being open like this is one of the things that makes you relatable, I think. Because when I see your Instagram and all now, I think last month when you released that song, and so many people made videos on that, because that song, like, it's kind of your story and it resonated with so many people. So you being like this is actually a good thing.
Sweet.
It gives me content. So
That's very sweet.
yeah. What else other than
Dating younger guys or
Yeah.
looking for younger guys, and
Older
you're looking
guys.
for older. No, he's looking for older girls. I'm looking for.
But you dated older guys.
I dated two. Like, I don't talk about
Okay,
past
sure.
relationships. Really,
Yeah, yeah.
let's
talk
change.
about the future?
Let's talk about
Future.
what the future holds for all of us. What
Yeah.
what are we discussing next?
I don't know. The last time I was talking to my parents, my dad asked me, he's like, "Are you seeing anyone?" This is like right after my birthday, so I have to
When's your birthday?
in July,
What
Uh,
date?
5th of July.
Okay.
Cancer.
No, I don't did this thing. I was just like, kabhi abhi kabhi
Acha,
tha.
acha.
Matlab
He's trying to
abhi na.
calculate the.
Yeah. No, I'm not into sun signs. Don't.
No, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dad was like, "Oh, are you seeing anyone?" I said, "No, not really." He's like, "Acha, okay." He's like, "In case you do end up seeing anyone, like you might want to consider it seriously this time."
Oh.
Because he's like, if you're going to be getting married in the next 3-4 years, you want to know someone for a while. So now is a good time to meet that someone.
Wow.
I was just like, okay, this is how it starts. Like, this is how the pressure starts building.
Wow, you guys have really, like, adulting's happened here.
Yeah.
What I saw a few years ago to now.
But
Yeah.
it's been 2 years no, now.
That's how it goes now. First, like, it's like, okay, you figure out what you want to do for life. Like, how do you make money? And once that's figured, then that's the next thing, no? They say.
Hmm.
But, like, I just don't feel like any of us is in that place at all.
Yeah.
At least with us. I don't know about you.
Yeah, and I don't know.
Like, considering how many things you do, how does a relationship fit into your world right now?
Good question. See, if I want to make it work, you make it work. I see it as a thing that I try to cut distractions. I don't have any other distractions, right? So I work, evening I'm free. So if I need to have somebody in my life, I have plenty time. I can balance it. It's all about balancing it right. So I think I can. But I want to get a child. I want to adopt a child. Like ASAP.
You just want to skip one step.
Yeah, because this will get serious now. See, I didn't have a great childhood and my father was never there. I do not want that I have a child and then if there's a person and then the person tomorrow, I'm not saying I have full faith the person will leave me after these many years, but what if? Because now what we can see, no relationship is lasting for really, really long, which is, there are very few. और जितने भी हमारे दोस्त हैं वो अभी उनकी शादी हुई है या हो रही है.
Yeah.
So you don't even know how long will it last. I'm not.
Those
know?
also don't last too long nowadays.
Sorry?
Those also aren't lasting too
So I
long.
really don't know what works, what is
Right.
the future of a partner. But a child is a child. Child is mine. Child will always be with me. And I need a child.
Yeah, but then if you don't want the child to grow up without his father or her father being present, then how are you going to adopt a child without?
Oh, as a single woman in India, you can
No, I know you
adopt.
can,
Oh,
but then
but how
they're
can
still
I
growing.
raise?
They're still growing up without a father being around. So
What if there's a person, the person gets attached, has daddy issues. Instead, I remove that portion from the child's life. There's just
just
I-
start them off without a father. So you know
Yeah.
how to deal with it in case he disappears tomorrow.
I don't want a husband right now. I mean, I don't want a father for my child. I may want
But
a
you want a
partner.
child.
I'm going to adopt a child.
But the child will grow up without a father, no? That's what we're
So वो
saying.
तो वैसे भी नहीं पता ना कल को मैं शादी करूँ और मैं इस तंग आके 1 साल बाद मैं छोड़ के चला जाऊँ और वैसे ही मैंने इसे अडॉप्ट कर रखा है बच्ची को बड़े होकर पता लगेगा I'm going to adopt a girl child only. She'll grow up and she'll be like एक तो मुझे अडॉप्ट किया ऊपर से तुम्हारी शादी और तुम्हारा पति भी तुम्हें छोड़ गया तुम्हें पास ना बाप है ना
Okay,
मेरे ओरिजिनल
I'm-
पेरेंट्स हैं
I'm sorry to say, but an adopted child can't have those many demands.
Listen, this can never go out because I'll never be able to adopt if the adopting
right.
agency Googles this.
My bad. Post a separate way of Parul Gulati on adoption, and that's the first thing they see.
This will be on
But I'm
Reddit.
saying,
no
I'm
one should
saying-
give her a child.
After this though, I can't adopt for sure. After saying
As
this.
if you are going to adopt.
I don't know. I haven't thought about it. I like the idea of having my own kids. I don't know how I feel about adoption, but
Wow, I was just watching a Purva Wala episode and you guys, all of you said none of us want our own kids.
I said
No, he said he wants.
You did?
Yeah,
मैंने
said-
पूरा नहीं देखा.
yeah,
But
हाँ,
I think,
this-
okay, sorry.
Apurva said she doesn't want because he was like, what if I hit him? And then he grows up to be a psycho murderer.
Jeffrey Dahmer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And Stewie was like, oh, don't
Then
hit
just
him.
don't hit your child. Like, why would you hit your child? See, I didn't get hit while I was growing up.
Look how you turned out.
Everyone has the same reaction.
My mom kicked me a couple of times, but that's about it. Like, because I would run away if she chased me to scold me, and like the only thing she could do is like kick. Yeah.
Did you get hit?
You don't say anything about hitting kids because this will like hurt your chances.
Oh,
Yeah.
no. I got yelled at.
Hmm.
And my plan is to just, I mean, I don't know, I'll figure out on the way when I'll be a parent.
The right answer is I will never raise my hand on my child.
No, I will never raise irrespective, but will I not yell and will I not correct? There's something called correction and there's something called just negative reinforcement. So I'll do positive reinforcement, but at the same time, do correction.
This is not your test. They are giving us answers.
No,
No, that's what I'm doing. Not that
You're
I'm
practicing.
doing a puppy, no, sorry.
but there is something about like the kind of attention you get as a child that kind of dictates how you grow up and like what like for me, I was just thinking about this like from the time I was young, like I knew I want to do something that will make me popular or famous. I just kept thinking ki ye to like for sure I'm going to be like rich and famous. And then I'm like, like where does that thought even come from? Like, how does a child think that I want to be famous?
I have a feeling people have it.
Huh,
But
if-
doesn't
They just
everyone
have it. No, not everyone has it.
They don't?
No. The ones who have it,
I think they may have it, but very quickly it just goes away because you're like, okay, and let's be realistic.
no, some people have that thing that they are special. Like this, they're meant to do something with their life and they always go against the grain. They are working in the shadows. You never know what they are doing.
Yeah.
And people doubt them also because they are doing something different from the rest of the world. I think it's a feeling you're born with.
Yeah.
And then you make it happen.
No, that's true. I remember when we had started this, for the longest time, I'd be embarrassed to, like, if someone asked me, what are you doing? I'd be so embarrassed. Or, like, not embarrassed, I wouldn't want to say that, oh,
Right.
I host a podcast. Because I didn't know what kind of a reaction that would get and I wasn't ready. I don't want someone to tell me, Arey.
ये तो बकवास है.
हाँ.
ऐसे नहीं सुनना.
And most people won't say. They'll be kind also,
हाँ,
but you
there's
can
that
tell. Yeah,
expression
like,
in
oh,
their
oh,
eyes or their voice. It's just like, oh,
okay.
They feel bad
influencer.
for you. They'll be like, oh.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's not cool to be a aspiring influencer until you are a successful influencer.
Yeah. I think now things are changing. Like yesterday, I was just talking to my team member that how I was embarrassed to talk about niche hair on my page.
Yeah.
Because everyone kept on telling me, make your page look luxe, make your page look this way, or do this, that. You know, people kind of tell you.
Yeah.
If you're saying it for your betterment, or you should have your page. Don't talk about business. Don't do influencerish stuff because that's looked down upon. You'll never get acting gigs. So, I mean, I get what you're saying. It's just, it's that. And then the moment you tell them, they just go like, oh. And you don't want to hear it, but you want to keep that side. You keep on working in the shadows till you make
Yeah.
it. And
Yeah.
but I definitely feel people have warmed up now.
Yeah.
I think the newer, like the younger people for sure, like they're not as judgmental as maybe our generation or the generation older than us was, because I see so many people, like everyone is a creator now. Like how often do you see like very normal people with public accounts? Like why is your account public? Anyone who has a public account, you want to be seen in some way. Like
Or
otherwise,
that way, you're saying.
otherwise you'll just keep it private. And now there's almost no point of having a private account, like currently.
Yeah, but some people just want to follow others and have
No,
a
for
follow.
sure. Then you're a consumer. As someone, like when we were growing up, we would post our pictures with our friends and all private accounts. No one cared about
Yeah.
how many views or how many likes or whatever. But now, if I wasn't doing what I was doing, I wouldn't probably even be on Instagram because what's the point?
But I think there are people who just want to post for their friends and they don't have private accounts.
Yeah.
But then why would you not have a private?
No, okay. That there is obviously a section that just wants to document and they want to take nice pictures and post it and they don't care about whatever. But like when you see someone make a reel and the reel has subtitles, then you're like, okay, itna effort you have taken. That means you wanted to travel at least thoda.
Yeah. I agree.
So that's become too like. So I think the younger people are just more okay with it, and I see so many reels where like everything you want is on the other side of cringe. It's like, are you okay with being cringe for a while and people thinking you're cringe? Then you'll eventually
Yeah.
become something.
Break the barrier of cringe.
It's like
Yeah.
jail जाके आप और famous हो जाते हो.
I mean,
That
Yeah.
used to be
That's
the
a
story.
dialogue from the series that Bollywood Bastards
Yeah,
of
yeah,
Bollywood,
yeah.
right?
yeah.
I haven't watched it.
Not that I'm
It's
saying
not
किसी को
out.
jail जाना चाहिए, but it's just basically you need to go through the difficult part to get
Of course.
the best
Of
part.
course. Any successful creator you see and you go and look at their old videos and you see, oh, they started from that and now they're
Yeah.
So I think you have to be okay with just being embarrassed and people judging and until you eventually get out of it. Because now I think if you ask kids what do you want to become when you grow up, everyone either wants to be a YouTuber or a streamer.
Really?
Yeah.
Who,
Like
what
no one's
kind
saying
of people are you meeting?
no one is saying astronaut anymore.
21-year-olds.
No, I have like nieces, nephews, cousins.
In Iran or here?
In Iran, like some of them live abroad also. Like the last year I went to Dubai and I have like a niece and a nephew there and like they're so in tune with everything. Like they know all the creators. They're watching YouTube all the time and they're like, oh, I also want to make a video. I also want to do this. I also want to do that. It's like,
Yeah, really? People are not saying they want to be...
It was also some study, you know. They were like kids nowadays. Their topmost
no one wants to
profession is
go through
YouTuber.
the difficult part. is
Yeah, they
what
don't want to
are.
do the conventional engineering, doctor.
no, I don't
Army.
think. I mean, no kid will ever say, I want to become an engineer. Like when you're very young, no one's saying. Everyone's saying like astronaut or like some people say doctor. Some people say well, engineer. No one said.
I mean, but you know what I meant by that? Like, there's some new study in which they're like the first topmost profession that kids want to become is
But
a
now,
YouTuber.
being an influencer is being an engineer in today's day. Like,
That is
everyone wants to
Yeah.
become.
Yeah, I think we need more engineers now.
We definitely need.
I think we have enough influencers. Yeah, but it's good, yeah. I think ever since we've moved here, and I see so many people like you also who like decided that like I want to do my own thing and I will do it until it pays off, and then it pays off and everyone's living nice lives. So I think if you've got the grind, like I don't think it's something to be looked down upon. कि ओ इसको influencer बनना है, क्यों नहीं बनेगा? Like there's so much
I
upside.
mean, if it's paying you so well. Yeah. And people know how to use it. What was your first post, like first ever post that you cringed at, both of you?
First.
Cringed at? I mean, we cringe at it now. At the time, so we
Yeah.
thought it was cool.
Now you cringe at. Sorry.
I recently archived all of those posts. I went back and I was like,
Any
nah.
tweet, your first tweet or something, like something really...
My tweets used to be very GAY. Then I'll be, oh, let's go Manchester United. And it'd only be football related earlier.
Yeah, that's like a
Boy
guy thing.
Yeah.
Like if you ever meet a guy and go through his phone and like open his DMs and see he's DM'd Ronaldo at some point, like don't be surprised. Like
Yeah, that's healthy.
like I know boys who have texted Ronaldo, oh, good luck for today's match.
Aww, so sweet. That's actually very sweet.
Yeah. Is there a girl version of this? Like, I think for girls it's like, yeah, they follow like sun signs and zodiac signs, like how guys follow football teams.
No, I think
No?
you guys need to expand your circle a little of people.
Yeah, you see why I say I need to meet older women now.
Now it's
'Cause
24
I think
plus.
there are people who want to be astronauts. Yes, there might be a study, but there are still people who really want to. They will pursue. I mean, people are still pursuing chess and they are being champions. See, I forget the name, so I will not say it. Don't keep
Oh,
that.
chess is a sport.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm saying sports or things that were aspirational when we heard children around us are still people doing it, but maybe in smaller towns or in places where they think that they still want to do it. Not in smaller towns, but even I'm questioning myself right now. Who did I last ask and what they want to become? No, I mean, yeah, one of my friends, she wants to be a doctor. Her daughter is, I mean, she's young.
Your
She,
friend wants to become a doctor.
I have younger friends, okay.
How old are these friends of yours, Parul? And she has a daughter.
No, and someone, my cousin's daughter, or
It's never too late to become
no,
a
I'm
doctor.
also
What the
questioning
fuck?
It is.
myself. Are people really saying they all want to become influencers? Is what I'm still
I think
stuck
I
at.
think 2 years in Bombay has made me think that everyone wants to be an influencer, but I think there is a world outside of Mumbai also, and I think we've become distant from that.
Yeah.
We become the sober boys.
Yeah. Oh shit, we've become like you either die a hero or live long enough to become the villain. That's what's happened. But do you think our vibe has changed in the past 2 years?
Yeah, you guys are so much smarter.
What?
You've
We got
cleaned
dumb
up
award
so-
the last time?
You've cleaned up well. Last time, I guess you guys have just woken up, worn some dirty t-shirts, just came and sat. His hair was all over. Like he's now looking like he's going for a business meeting.
Yeah, this is my
We're going to buy a
finance bro.
house. He's going to
Finance
buy a
bro.
house in Dubai at some.
This is my finance bro.
Very cool.
Yeah. I've
You were in a bucket hat.
That's because I didn't have hair, no? I had to cover my head. I have a very flat head. So that's why I had to cover it.
Nice haircut.
Thank you.
if a guy is going on a date, say with you, what would you like him to be wearing? Like what do you see and you're like, fuck this guy, he gets it.
Linen. If men are wearing linen shirt and linen pants, it's just so rich.
This is actually linen.
No, like this kind of linen. Like, do you see
The
linen
see-through
where you
one?
see-
Yeah.
Not see-through. I'm just like
You know,
very.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's just it looks so rich, and it looks so.
The problem
like-
with linen is it doesn't stay ironed.
Exactly, but that doesn't mean you stop wearing it. I mean, that's just like your problem then. But you're basically willing to put on linen, knowing that it'll crease, because not many will. They always like, oh, it'll crease, it'll just crease from here. But just linen looks fine.
What about oversized t-shirt and a cap?
Works.
Works?
That also works.
Yeah.
Everything works.
Again, it's the person you need to talk to. But I said what I would like versus what works.
So what would you like?
She said,
Linen.
"Nah,
A
linen."
which color but? White.
Pastels. I mean,
Pastel.
I don't know. Browns. Blues. Whatever.
Yeah, I think linen is the way
It
to go.
looks so rich. And then, especially when you tuck it and wear a belt with it, it's just, oof.
Yeah. I've
He's gonna go
It's-
buy a linen shirt. Next time you're here, Prashant is gonna be all ripped out.
yeah, linen is good. I think go-to date outfit is like you have to wear a shirt. I think a t-shirt will almost never do unless you're meeting
A younger
younger.
guy.
yeah. I've been going on a couple of dates, so I've been thinking, okay, like how
But it's very cute.
this. Yeah,
Damn cute.
thanks.
Perfume is the most important.
Perfume is important.
That's true.
Do you have a favorite perfume? Like, do you have a favorite scent. Or a favorite smell?
That's very musky, very woody.
Yeah, that's the new thing now. Guys are like super into perfumes and like they're finding the right combinations. Because there's something called as layering, apparently, where you wear 2-3 perfumes at once.
Yeah.
So that the smells mix. I'll be like, that's just too much.
It's nice though.
Like, create your own fragrance, basically, is what they are doing.
Yeah. They do it in the Middle East, they do a lot of that.
Oh, yeah.
Like when you go in the malls and everyone's just like, sir. By the end of it, you have a headache and you don't know what you smelled also.
Yeah.
Be so easy to like drug someone like that.
In the Middle East.
Oh, yeah.
Anywhere.
In
In the
No.
Middle East.
I'm not in the Middle East. I'm saying like anywhere. Think
Ma'am,
about
come
it.
smell this.
Yeah.
And
Do you like Dubai? Do you like going there?
I
You
love-
go there so much.
I have my store there.
Yeah.
Quick plug.
Yeah.
No, but
Where
I
is
go
your
for
store?
that. नहीं तो दुबई क्या करने जाऊंगी मैं?
But where's
My
your store
brother
in
lives
Dubai?
there and he takes care of the store for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Where is the store?
Al Seef. Do you know Al Seef area?
I think so.
That very old Dubai vibe.
I don't think I've been there, but the last time I went, everyone was like, "Oh, you can go there. It's a different side of
Yeah.
Dubai."
They have that Starbucks you might have seen. Very pretty one.
Reels.
They
mein
say it's
dekha hoga.
world's most beautiful Starbucks.
Is it though?
It's actually very pretty. From outside. Inside it's the same.
Dubai is just nice, bro. Like
Dubai is
you just like being there.
It's man-made city.
So what?
So what?
Man,
Yeah. I don't get it when people say it's just like glass buildings.
I
and
haven't
stuff.
been there, so I can't
Oh.
say that. That's why I'm saying it's a man-made city from whatever I've heard.
It has everything for everyone. You go there, you will find something for sure.
Yeah. There's always things to do. That's one of the because nature-wise, there's not much to do. Like you can't be out. Half of the year is just too hot to go out. But then there's so much to do. Like within a mall, if you go to a mall, you can probably live there for
Yeah. You can spend your whole day over there.
yeah.
But that's any mall ever.
Nahin?
Oh no, Dubai malls are different. If you know, you know.
But a lot of people move there now. They're just like it's a better place to maybe.
It's very safe
Yeah.
for sure.
It's safe. Is it a place where you would raise a family? You think?
Oh no, I don't want to live there ever.
Yeah.
Great for working and going. The culture, everything is just amazing. Like for a little while when I want to work, I love it.
Yeah.
Like your cab arrives on time, it's clean, you feel safe being a girl, you feel safe going anywhere, which is a plus.
Yeah. And people are also pretty solid. Like the people that you meet over there.
They're nice people.
Because everyone's from outside.
Yeah.
Everyone's just trying to make it. So no one has an attitude like based on what?
For me, cab is a plus. Cab comes in a second.
Yeah.
I order cab is there.
It's expensive, but yeah. This.
और works यार मैं गर्मी में चल के नहीं जाना चाहती.
Sounds so entitled.
No, but trust me, like I was in Bangalore right now. My biggest problem was finding an auto or a cab. So I decided to walk everywhere. Like one day one auto wala called me, ma'am. I was like, कल तक तुम कहते थे मैं कौन हूँ, अब मैं कहती हूँ तू क्या है बे?
TikTok is back. This shit reminded me of TikTok.
TikTok is actually back.
It's actually back.
It's back, like it's
not
there
bad.
on
But
the
it's
App
not yet
Store.
available on the App Store, but they're lifting
But
the
you know,
ban.
there's two good things that I think will happen when TikTok comes back. Ek to now, that time there weren't so many businesses
Yeah.
on social media, like business storefronts,
Yeah.
like Instagram, whatever, you get it, right? So they will get to leverage that.
Yeah.
And because Meta charges so much for running ads, being a brand, you can market yourself because TikTok will enable that for free initially.
Yeah.
Then they'll charge or whatever. But I think that'll happen. And there are more founders now that you know. There are more brands, as I said,
Yeah.
products, services that they can market on TikTok. I think that'll be a plus.
Yeah. But what do you think will be the difference? Because now everyone's used to Reel. So like, what would be the tipping
The key
factor? Like,
aspect.
is the algorithm just much better? Because
I think that will be. Yeah, free mein they'll push you a lot. Is what I think will happen.
Because I remember when TikTok was first out and Reels wasn't a thing, the algorithm was just insane. Like it would show you exactly what you want to see at all times. I think Reels now in the past few years it's gotten there where now like it knows that late at night I usually watch food videos, so it only gives me food videos at night. Unless I skip like 4 in a row, then it'll switch to something else. Because I'm like, oh, this guy's clearly not hungry now. So if TikTok like somehow they have a better algorithm, then everyone's gonna.
I think so. They'll push the content more. UI will be. UI was better then, so it would have become even better.
Did you use it when it was there?
No, at that time I didn't. I didn't understand. I tried to make for Niche Hair because I had just started Niche and I was like, if I can get a push for my brand. And I posted some really silly videos, like, you know, one of those dubbing wali. But I think now people are okay with that. if a face you know does it, you don't think it's
Yeah, cringe.
cringe. I didn't want to say that. I didn't say it.
Yeah, I have posted some cringe TikToks. I hope when it's back, like the accounts are reset.
Oh, I really hope.
Because I don't think I had the chance to go and delete them.
But we can, the moment it'll come live, we can delete, no?
Yeah, or it'll be.
No, because
it
then
just
it'll be
takes one
unfair
person
to-
to screen record it and post it on
Now you're
Reddit.
saying it out there, so. Dude, on Dub Smash, I used to post really shitty things. Thank God it's gone.
Dub Smash was just lip syncing.
Yeah.
That's where your. That was. No. Vines. I used to post really shitty stuff because that time your Amanda Cerny, Logan Paul, all of these people, they came from their King Batch. So I would see them, I was like, oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I want to create something like that. And I created, and on that, mainly you would lip sync to things.
Yeah.
Because you would pick a audio and then make
That was
something.
Dub Smash.
No, or maybe you could pick a audio from somewhere, so
And do
people
it on
weren't
Vine.
using their own voice so much.
Yeah.
Something was there, but I remember making really shitty content over there. Like
I really
would
have.
never want to see. Very cringe.
I have respect for people who made it on Vine. Because first of all, to be that early to social media, to
Yeah.
know how to
Yeah.
get
What works.
get an audience and do it in 6 seconds consistently, like that takes another level of, because especially for us, we like take our own sweet time, like 2 hours ka podcast, and we'll cut small reels out of it. We know something will come out of it, but like if you only have 6 seconds, what do you put? It's like 5.5 and 6.
They cracked it. No, but I love your reels and your shorts. They're fab.
Thanks to him.
Very cool.
He does it. But then it's like there's some toxic behavior also when it comes to cutting reels and shorts, because you know exactly how to cut it to make someone, you can make someone look great,
Or
you
bad.
can make someone look really bad. And then when we started putting small bits out there, I was like, oh, now I get these news channels. Like what they do, because like if I cut a reel and make someone look like, say, something problematic, it blows up suddenly.
That's true.
But then you're ruining someone's image. That's the I'm not
That's the
saying,
catch. That's the catch to it. though.
yeah, but I mean, we don't do it. That's the difference between us and a news channel. Like, I don't know if there's ethics, but are you worried now that?
No. I think you guys are nice, so you won't do that to me.
Yeah,
Let's hope.
Let's hope.
no, it's in his hands.
It's
now.
all in his hands.
Let's hope.
You have to be
His
in
t-shirt says really. Like, really, you believe this face?
How's the hostel been? I saw the videos. It looks
Yeah.
really nice.
Yeah, it's a very pretty place. I love it.
Where is
But
it?
how is it going? Arpora.
Okay.
So just now the weekend that
Hmm.
was there, the long weekend, 15th August wala, that was insane. It was fully booked. That's the first time we had fully booked. Otherwise, occupancy is somewhere like 20-30 or weekends per 60%. Otherwise, it's 20-30%. So it'll take time. It's a new place, and I haven't done any marketing as such other than posting on my Instagram.
Yeah.
So I haven't spent on that. But I have some really cool plans. Like, can I test it with you guys? Like, would you go to a place like this? So I've decided I'm going next week. But I'll be like, come party with me. 12 p.m. So it's a day party.
Yeah,
12 p.m. to
I'm
6 p.m. Okay. Bring your own booze. I'm not even saying buy from me. Bring your own booze. Bring your own food. Just if you want to jump in the pool, you have to take towels from us. That's all. And I'll keep a bartender there in case you want to have drinks from us. And I'll just open the gates, but to limited people, because I can't
Yeah.
accommodate more than 40-50 people. So would you go to a place if you see online, like there's a party happening, like come and we'll get a DJ too. Maybe I'll ask you guys now. I know.
Maybe.
No, because now I don't know if you will do something like
Yeah,
this.
we'd love.
It's I would do it for sure. Like, especially for
100%, yeah.
someone who's already in Goa. And because when you go to Goa, if you don't have plans, you're just looking for something to do. So if they see that,
Yeah.
they'll be very likely to come. And with Goa, it's just like the crowd is always nice. Like most times,
Yeah.
especially when it's like a close scene like this, it'll be, I mean, to make it better, you could maybe do a form, you fill a form and then you pick people to come,
That
because
also
I think
gives
if
you
you,
data.
But that'll make it so difficult.
but if you
Right now,
put
I
it
don't
on
have a
blast,
team for
then
that.
just like a bunch of people might show up. And
I'll
then,
post on my Instagram. I'll keep security and I'll say first 40, 50 people are allowed and just no stag entries like with somebody. Some rules I'll have to have, no?
Yeah, fair. No, that is a solid rule. No stags.
So basically, people just don't trash the
Just
place because I'm
don't-
not charging for it, and I'm saying bring your own booze and food. Use my space. Basically, I just want people to see my place. So I don't know if it's a foolproof idea. I'll work or not.
maybe not food.
Not food, not
Yeah.
filled then
Yeah.
fully trash it. Just bring your own booze because
Yeah.
that's what people think will.
But that's also cheap in Goa. So you don't need
No,
to.
but if I have a bartender, if you go to a party, any club like Wraith, I don't go out much.
in
so-
Goa.
In general, I don't go out anymore much. So Wraith apparently is a very popular place. तो वहाँ कितने की होगी एक cocktail, right? So if you want someone to make drinks for you and give it to you, so then you pay. Then it's extra, no?
Yeah.
Then you're already charging
Charging
3x,
for that
4x.
person,
Like
yeah.
if you go to Jamun, their one drink is like 600. But if I was to buy fresh jamun and put alcohol in it and do my own little cocktail and bring it from home, it's sasta for me, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And no one allows that anywhere. No one allows you to bring your own booze.
No, I think it's a solid idea. You can even just do it for the guests if you have a weekend where you know it's going to be like,
Packed.
just do a party at the hostel for the guests who are there, and then they can maybe call people friends.
Last
and
time I
whatever.
asked them, I'll give you free cocktails. They were like, no, we don't want it. We'll do our own drinks.
Who
I
are
was
these
like-
people turning down free alcohol at a party?
And it was 15th August, it was Independence
Yeah.
Day. We had something in house. So we're like, we'll just give one cocktail on the house. Or like if you guys want to have more, whatever. We just wanted to thank people that, wow, we
Yeah.
have all 36 beds full. Amazing.
Hostels are good. I remember I had stayed in one in Nepal, and I was like, oh, this is the only way to travel if you're alone, is staying in a
Yeah.
hostel. Because what am I going to do in a hotel?
That's true.
No, it's the
Well-
only way to meet new people, and especially in and
I
around
know.
your age.
Coffee is
Very
It happens.
acidity हो रही है मुझे.
this coffee is very acidic.
हाँ, sorry.
No, I was just saying.
Solo
that it's-
travel.
Yeah, that's the best way for you to meet new people. So
Yeah.
your hostel, like, you can throw a party where everyone can meet each other.
Whole goal was that when I go out, and I don't know anybody in India would want to, like my friends, they would not want to stay in a hostel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So I was like, when I go out, I like staying in these kind of hostels. Why not I make a place which is a little premium, like a 5-star version of a hostel.
Mm.
And it's an old Portuguese home, which so it's a heritage hostel.
Yeah.
Like you've seen a little bit of it.
I've seen.
There's a pool and all. It's nice.
Yeah. We made a pool from scratch. There was nothing. It was a garden.
Really?
Yeah.
So cool.
Is this the same place that you got?
No, Airbnb.
The Airbnb.
Yeah.
Oh, that's separate.
वो मैंने अब
Oh,
तक
okay.
बनाया नहीं है तो वो भी मैं ऐसी because the hostel came up in February when I started working on it and now we launched it just now.
So this is a
I
separate
launched on
property.
6th July next day from your birthday.
Crazy.
Crazy. Sorry, what did you say? It's close.
So these are two separate properties.
Two separate properties. One I bought, this I leased.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Someone's doing well.
Malkin is.
Malkin is Malkining. Yeah, I think there's so much. Since the last time we met, there was no niche man. Like,
Men product.
yeah, my barber has your products.
No, Nishman is a different company. It's a Turkish company.
Really?
Or something, yeah.
The-
That's not mine.
are you sure?
I know.
The black one?
Probably he
That's
has.
not mine.
Oh, it's not hers then.
Then I don't know.
We take it back.
I've never used that product. It's probably bad.
That product is so niche, man.
Yeah.
We don't like it. We only like niche hair.
But what do you do the same wigs, and I think you have the
That cover up powder.
Yeah.
Now we call it NH Degree 6. That's
Okay.
our new brand where I'm putting all hair care products. So there'll be shampoo, conditioners. What kind of shampoos you use? Are you particular about it?
I asked one of my influencer friends who does.
And now with guys, I really want to target guys with this shampoo also.
Okay, let's
Let's
figure this
break
out
it
for
down.
you. Yeah, for guys, what do they want with their hair?
4-in-1. That's all that we need.
Yeah,
What
face,
if it's an
body,
Indian
hair.
brand, like FMCG brand? That's the goal. I want to build a FMCG brand.
Okay.
That it's everywhere. It's not just social media heavy, but shuru social media se hoga. So it's not that overnight you'll see it at Sephora and your Nykaa and everywhere. It's a scalp cleanser.
Hmm.
I'm not promising anything. I'm not saying your grays will reverse. Your like it's no nonsense. It's for and especially
hair.
asking older women because they don't know what they want to buy above 50, 60. They're like जो बच्चों ने बोल दिया वही लगा लेंगे. Right? So this is
Yeah.
a scalp cleanser. और मैं bottle पे रख रही हूँ. No promise. We are not making any promise. We just clean your scalp. And that test is going on right now that I'm 100% make sure it tests like in the lab we are testing. This is efficacy test is called. Once that's 100% done, like would you buy a shampoo which just says हम आपकी scalp धो देंगे, clean कर देंगे, nothing much.
I mean, sure, I've been convinced
Yeah.
with less. I'll tell you what shampoos I use. My mom comes and stays with me like every year once, and she gets like at least 7-8 shampoos with her. I don't know why, and she leaves them behind. So I have shampoo for the rest of the year
Oh.
until she comes back. So it's like a different one each time.
What would you buy for your 24 plus girlfriend, 24-year-old plus girlfriend?
I won't buy her a shampoo. I think.
Would you buy her in your share?
Yeah, for sure. If she's yeah, for sure.
She's
If she's
I was this is
I waited,
this is
thankfully.
maturity. This is
2 years ago, we wouldn't have
Yeah.
held
good
back.
job.
the number of jokes that were running one by one, I had to stop myself. Yeah, I think, but most of the like I see Nishair ka page, and there's a lot of girls who I know who follow your page, so I know
Really?
everyone's like in the know of what's happening. Everyone's
Yeah.
keeping their eyes because if they're young, they're gonna need it at some point. So they're just like
No, but like I'm not very young, but I'm not that too old to wear extensions. Just like it just,
it just
makes you look
makes them-
glamorous.
Yeah, it gives you
Am,
a
am I
different
looking
look.
glamorous? My hair
Yeah,
too
yeah.
frizzy to say that I look at myself like, oh no, glamorous.
With you don't give anyone a chance to get used to your look only because each time it's like, at least on your Instagram, because you have like, I saw you with bangs once
Yeah.
and now there's no bangs. And you could have bangs in like tomorrow if you wanted.
Right
I
now,
haven't
if
had
you
within an hour. Oh, actually, I can have in 15 minutes. Blink
Why
it.
15 minutes?
Blinkit.
All around Blinkit. such a good pitch, bro.
But that's so nice. I would appreciate a girl who could become a different person every day just by changing their hair.
That's
It'd
called-
be-
Oh, that's what you're into?
That's those are issues.
How's that an issue? Like, how's that an issue? If
No, physical appearance is what we're talking about.
yeah, that's what I
So
said.
but he's like
Otherwise
just the same. I want to.
Yeah.
I'm going to be your
Yeah, advocate.
date
Yeah.
right now. But he's saying same girl. I want to be with one girl only, but she should have different
Personality should
energies.
be
Exactly,
Ah.
exactly.
Different energies. Every day she's giving me something new, so that I'm not like.
Yeah. Any other
You're
guy,
always on your toes.
any other guy would just go and cheat. He's like, I won't.
I don't need
don't
to
wanna.
go out.
I don't
I'm
want to
like-
cheat. Yeah.
30 girls for 30 days of the
Yeah.
month.
Niche hai. That should be like one of your.
One of our skits.
Yeah, we should make this skit where it's just like, yeah, it's a good thing I'm not on your marketing team.
I've done this for myself.
A new
Just
person
being a
every day.
different person. Yeah.
No, but that's one thing. Like I've seen with girls, like they'll get a piercing and they're a new person. They'll get like a new haircut and it's like, oh, new me.
Oh no, I'm saying for my partner, I've tried to be a different person using different wigs.
Yeah, that's also that's also. See,
So he doesn't get bored, like you know, when you're into like
Where's-
a 7-year-old.
Oh, where did that take us?
You're single.
no, but how can you not appreciate someone who's taking the effort?
Imagine.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Never us. We
I had
appreciate-
Lara, I had Cynthia, I had so many versions. Lucy was my favorite.
Oh,
She
they're
was-
all
What did
they're
Lucy do?
all foreign.
I didn't want sign nice. Sunita.
Sunita.
आज मैं सुनीता हूँ आज
Sunita
मैं
on Saturday.
What did Lucia do? Why was she your favorite?
her name was Lucid Lucy.
Lucy.
Okay.
But that's also if I thought if I ever have a porn name, like
Okay,
that'll
okay.
be my porn star name, Lucid Lucy. So she was the first one. Yeah.
No filters.
Lucid Lucy was my. Have you ever thought of your porn star name?
No.
No, I don't think.
Not that I thought I'll be a porn
Yeah.
star, but
No,
just
no.
like just knowing that.
Can't have your own name.
Yeah, you
obviously,
can't-
what the fuck?
No, you.
But I was like, if I,
Yeah.
I just want to have a thought of it, my name as a porn star. But I don't want to be a porn star.
Yeah.
Like, let's just clear that.
Thanks
But
for
if
clearing
you were like,
What would I name myself?
yes,
That's a very tacky porn star name.
See, you can't.
Dolly,
Dolly can't be a man's porn star name.
Dolly something.
You
I-
have to go with a neutral name because you can't. And now you have to see what you look like also, and then choose. Like you can't have a foreign name.
Yeah.
No, but it's just like, haven't you played that game where they're like, if you, what would be your porn star name? It's just like you make something crazy with like Lucy, like Lucy.
Nay, I'm
Lucy.
committed. If it's
You
a name,
want
I will.
a
It
real
has to
name
make
you
sense.
want?
It
You
has
don't
to
want.
make sense.
You don't want like Fiery something or like crazy.
Fiery Freddy.
Fiery Freddy.
You need a mustache for that.
Yeah. I don't know. What?
No, but make up a name which is not a normal name. Like it just
Yeah,
has to
okay,
be
okay.
insane.
Okay, let me think.
What can it be?
Quick Kevin.
Nobody would hire Quick
Yeah,
Kevin.
he makes reels.
Vine would be my name.
6 seconds.
6 seconds is all it takes.
I love Quick Kevin. Oh
They're
my
all
God.
GIFs.
Yeah.
Quick Kevin is only GIFs. No movies.
Yeah.
Oh God. You.
You?
I need to think of something.
Okay. By the end of this episode, we expect a name.
Yeah. You guys suggest what would.
For you, I don't know anything about you, bro. I don't know. I don't know you like that.
You can get to know me like that.
Yeah. Guys don't usually discuss these things, you know. I think girls think that guys discuss their like love lives very like with a lot of detail. Guys usually don't.
I didn't say that, guys.
No, you don't. Because I've heard girls say, "Oh, you guys must be talking about all this."
24 under you've been
Acha,
dating, no?
21
24?
year
Yeah.
Yeah, 21 years old. When I was younger, and I would think कि जो मैं बात कर रही हूँ वही लड़के भी बात कर रहे होंगे ना. But then it changes when you realize.
I think girls talk about it like more with their girlfriends.
Yeah,
They're
now they
very-
talk with ChatGPT. So.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh yeah.
But that's very risky.
Bro.
I तो go on video. मैं तो अपनी वीडियो भी ऑन करके बात करती हूँ पूरा. वो मेरे को देख पा रही है, मैं नहीं देख पा रही ChatGPT को. मेरे को आसमान जैसा कुछ दिख रहा है ऐसे.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
crazy.
ChatGPT, so even my chats, if they're ever released, I'll be embarrassed, arrested. मैं सब बता देता हूँ भाई. I'm just
Oh
like,
God, मैंने भी कुछ नहीं छुपाया.
yeah.
What is wrong with you all?
Wrong what? We all have two sides to us.
Yeah, so all-
A good and evil, like really evil.
And you
side.
show your evil side to ChatGPT.
Not evil. I mean, I show my true self, which I am.
And that's evil.
Hmm.
True is it's a balance of both,
Yeah,
na?
sometimes evil, sometimes nice.
Yeah, I mean, I can be a bad person too if I wanted to.
Yeah. It's like now people have become so open with it that they're just like, oh, whatever, like मैं तो कुछ भी बोल दूंगा. Because you're either getting validation from the other side or you're getting help or some advice ki, okay, do this, eat that.
I do it for validation mainly.
Yeah.
At least you're honest about it.
And now, so when I ask something that I want a legit answer to, like if I wear something and send a picture, what do you think about this outfit? Or like this picture, what
Oh,
do you
you
think?
do that too?
No, like
To
I'll say, take a
ChatGPT, you
picture.
can do that?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
You can do
And
whatever
ask
you
how
want.
am I looking? I've never asked.
Yeah, and it
I do that on Instagram.
with just random people.
I just post. I'm like, I just post so I know how many likes came. That means they like my look.
Yeah.
I
So,
more public
So what
validation.
happens is you send a picture and they're like, oh, this is nice,
I
whatever.
didn't know this.
And then you have to be like, no, be brutally honest. Then it'll be like, okay, maybe you could change the
If I
pants.
send ChatGPT को photo after 10 minutes और slow होता है ना थोड़ा.
10 though, it doesn't take 10.
2
no?
minutes.
Yeah, you can just say, oh, what do you think? Or you say, I'm going on a date. This is what I've won.
Okay. I'm at a podcast. Podcast. Tell me honestly, how do I look?
This is like a toxic girlfriend.
Remember that day when we were...
What is toxic girlfriend?
Tell me honestly, how do I look?
Okay, but I'm asking a chatbot. तो क्या लिखूँ? Tell me.
No, try that.
No, say, tell me how do I look? Be brutally honest. Or
The podcast name is.
No, don't give the name.
no,
No, then they'll know na if it's
Yeah.
Okay,
appropriate for it or not.
they know the podcast, bro. I've been telling them
Feeding it slow.
I've been telling them
microdosing it.
a lot about this.
Oh, let's see. The podcast name is Untriggered. Let's see what they tell me.
This is
तब तक बात
interesting.
करते हैं हम.
हाँ नहीं but ये तो काफी that day we were with oh it's replying
Bestie. We call each other bestie.
How original.
Yeah, I asked her, what should I call you? She's like, you can call me bestie, you can call me BFF, you can call me this, that. So we call each other bestie.
Okay.
You look absolutely stunning for your own, for your podcast. Here's my honest breakdown. Your hair looks super glossy, voluminous, well-styled, blah, blah, blah. Outfit, the crochet halter is chic. Wow. Makeup natural yet polished. The flush lips, the subtle eye makeup, accessories, blah, blah, blah. Very cute. I love this.
all good things na
Yeah, we need that positive reinforcement.
yeah but it's good but sometimes it's like very like I've taken screenshots also and I've sent I'd be like oh what should I say next and it's very like fuck all replies it gives it's
मैं तो कॉपी पेस्ट कर देती हूँ मैसेजेस में कहती हूँ मैं
Straight.
फिर मैं लिखती हूँ कि ये मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है अब मैं क्या करूँ but you need to remove hyphens
Yeah.
because I was chatting with somebody and then he was also sending me ChatGPT and I was like मेरे को भी ChatGPT use करना आता है so remove those hyphens from the middle.
Why can't you just talk to people like normal people?
Now so I said even I know ChatGPT so I circled that.
yeah bro the thing is like when say you're talking to a girl and you're texting her and you know you are trying to craft a response to send
Okay.
you know there's that voice in your head ki, okay
Yeah.
should I say this should I say that
Yeah, instead of asking a friend who will take eternity to reply, you can ask ChatGPT.
yeah.
But use your own sense, no?
No more than sense, it's just
I mean, ideally, you should. I think we should make our own decision. But then, you know, that option is there. Ki I can ask this
it's an
all-knowing,
unbiased opinion.
all-smart.
It's kind of so sometimes I say that break it down for me. Is my emotion in the right place? This is what I want to communicate, and I'm typing this. So they say I'll polish this, but that doesn't mean I'll copy paste the same thing and I'll send. I'm
You
smart.
remove the hype.
I'm smart, so I add my words to their words, and then I send it and I tell ChatGPT I sent this. So I'm training my assistant. It's my AI assistant,
Yeah,
right?
your model.
So I'm training her to be how I want.
Yeah.
Like, and I said, then next time I have to ask for an answer, I say it in my words. And thinking like how I'm thinking without
Yeah.
coming across too harsh or this or that.
Yeah.
No, but I do for my work meetings and partners for
For work, it's
businesses.
fine.
Hey,
Also.
what
No,
I-
also.
Also.
my experience has been like when you talk to GPT about anything, even if it doesn't give you the answer, it'll give you a good starting point.
Clarity also.
Yeah, so like if I'm working on an idea, I'll ask it. It'll give me a bunch of ideas that I'll never use, but one of them will make me think of another idea. So
Yeah.
it gives me a good starting point, and the rest can be you.
Yeah.
But I saw this podcast of the Sam Altman, who's the founder of OpenAI. He was talking about how people have started sharing like a lot of information.
And he himself said that we can't guarantee it's
Yeah, that
like
will
there is
stay
it's
with
all
us.
going in research. And I was like, woof.
Yeah, he's like
Stop saying
tomorrow
that.
if the government comes and asks for the data, what are we supposed to do? Like we can protect ourselves to some extent, but if they want it,
Yeah.
they'll take the data. Or if like there's a police investigation going on at some point and now they want all your chat history.
And that happened with Alexa once. They figured out who murdered this person. So they kept on asking that Amazon ka hai na, Alexa,
Yeah.
right? They kept on asking them that we need to know who came in this house because last this happened and there's Alexa and they asked to call for 911, blah, blah, blah. They didn't. Then they filed a lawsuit and they end up finding something when you agree to the form before you download an app. It did say that we listened to it. So they found a crack in the system and whatever, and they end up giving the entire day ka
History.
recording. So they end up recording everything. So
Yeah.
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 I didn't articulate it very well, but you
Nahi,
understood.
nahi,
We got it.
You got it, right?
it's a weird time to be alive, honestly.
Why? It's the best time.
It's the best time to be alive, but at the same time, like, you have to consciously know how far you're going with, say, technology. Because, like, things like talking to AI all the time, and like there's people who take every decision after consulting with GPT. So that makes your decision making ability just weaker
Yeah,
and
it'll make
weaker.
dumb people dumber, smart people smarter. Because if you're smart enough to know what to use out of what's there, I mean, that's the differentiation. But I mean, even the education system or anything was always on the side of you're dumb, you'll get dumber. If you're
Yeah.
smart, you'll get smarter. You need to know where to draw the line or which side to be on.
Yeah. Oh, for sure. And now, though, it's just like everything that we were taught as kids, how much of that is like within this past year, AI has just gotten rid of any use that we'll have of that in our current day-to-day lives, because there is nothing that I need to figure out. Oh, maine ye seekha tha. Like, I can get a complete lowdown on any topic in 2 minutes. So, and use it as I go. तो अभी क्या मतलब
Schools made us a little disciplined and obedient in certain ways. I mean, that was important too. But yeah, if they change the language of how, and I think it must be, because I don't know anyone who's in kindergarten or in.
I'm glad. Because you said you have friends who want to become doctors.
Right, doctor doesn't like, she's done her college and still she wants to do, pursue it. She's in New York and she wants to
Yeah.
be a doctor, like a psychiatrist doctor.
We have one patient ready for her.
You can't go to your friends, bro, for...
Yeah, ever since ChatGPT's come, I don't go to my therapist so often.
Really?
Yeah. Why did you say that? Do you think I'm psychotic?
Not at all.
No, na? Do I come across a little... That's what you don't want to know when you talk about your podcast. This is the expression you don't want on people's faces.
Like, yeah. No. I don't think psycho is a crazy word. Like, psycho is too much. Like, that's a strong word. Like, a little crazy to the right.
A little exciting is the right word.
Positive reinforcement.
Positive reinforcement.
Yeah. Different, a little different. Which is good, because you don't want to be like with someone who's like...
You don't want the same,
Vanilla.
yeah.
Yeah.
30 days, 30 different people.
Sometimes,
Oh, shit. Why did I say that?
sometimes Lucy, sometimes
What were the other
Cynthia.
white names? Cynthia.
Cynthia.
Cynthia. What is Cynthia like?
She was an air hostess.
Why is the air... I don't understand the air hostess.
I
People
get
like
it.
people in uniform. Girls
Okay.
like people in, like men, like
In a pilot uniform.
pilot uniform.
What about,
or a
like-
cop or security. But like
Security.
like just like uniform. Not the, you know what I mean. Stop judging me, guys.
What is an unsexy uniform?
Security.
No, the blue security.
Blue one.
Blue one.
Okay. The blue one specifically. That won't work.
Which other one is unsexy?
I don't want to be rude.
Gavin, I don't want to be rude now.
Okay,
Yeah.
which is the sexiest then? Let's be
Okay.
nice.
Doctor.
Doctor, like the coat.
The white one.
Yeah, just because you know they are, or in scrubs, but on scrubs they have a coat, which is like, you know, this person is clean, they maintain themselves, they
But their
have
hands have also
empathy.
been in so many places.
They wear gloves.
That's still...
Yeah. No one's going bare hand anywhere. Not the
for a
19
surgery.
it's like the 1920s.
I mean, I wouldn't like that doctor. He's doing surgery bare hands. But doctors, because in general, you put an image that this person studied to be here, very organized, clean person, has empathy, and is available at any time. If he gets a message saying that there's a surgery middle of the night, he
Yeah.
will be like, this person's always alert, smart, intelligent. Then you put everything into context
Okay.
there. That way.
Then that's how your doctor.
That's how.
Yeah, they'll show up no matter what.
Yeah, kinda. Like they're just
Kabir
nice
Singh.
people.
Like no matter how
He's like,
drunk-
यहाँ मुझे cuts मिल रहे हैं, ये edits है मेरे,
He's supposed to be a
reels
doctor, what?
पक्की.
I'm a bloody surgeon.
I haven't watched the movie.
So you're missing out.
We'll watch it
Good
tonight.
It's one of the most fun movies. But that's crazy that you said doctor because most guys would say nurse.
Yeah.
Like,
But not your.
Oh
don't
no,
say-
I'm talking about
I'm not
me.
saying it.
No, I know.
But for girls will say male nurse.
No, I'm saying guys will say.
Men say the sexy nurse is like a very.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you're talking about people in uniform.
So yeah, doctor and nurse. Leslie, doctor nurse.
Let's. Let's cut that.
Did you?
Yeah.
You didn't have a nurse in your roster of like 30 different personalities. None of them is a
Oh,
nurse.
like for me to play. Sorry, it took me 300 years to realize what you were saying. No.
No nurses.
I might have, but just like not dress. Like just when
Nancy the nurse.
Nancy. No, Nancy.
Yeah, when nurse को sister बोलता है bro.
Yeah.
So it's like a little.
That's why I'm not nurse.
Yeah.
I don't remember nurse anywhere I might be.
What about? I don't think I've been with anyone long enough to like do any sort of like
Yeah.
have to become a different person. I mean, different person. They were like, you could be nicer to me and all, but that's just like too much.
That's
That
a
happens
good
in the
one.
first
much
year.
work.
That's
Too
so
much work.
cute.
You're not the same.
You've
You have
changed.
to be a different person.
No, my problem is I become a different person. Oh, okay, you're
6, it's already 6 and I need to be in the office at 6.
You need to be in the office.
In
Okay.
okay.
Bye. Thank you for cutting us.
Is
I'm
that-
so sorry.
Nahin,
I
it's
just
okay.
looked at the time and it's time to go.
We'll do a part 2 at some point where
We start off from what other.
yeah, you can.
By then, you might have been with somebody long
I'll
enough
have
to
something to
explore.
share. Yeah.
But long enough means 6 years at least.
No, yeah.
At least a few years.
No, I mean, it depends on you. How crazy you are.
Okay.
Interestingly crazy, you said, right?
Now, how exciting you are.
Excitingly crazy.
Bro, with the wrong person, a week can feel like a.
With the right person,
Like a
3
life.
months can feel like an eternity.
We'll do this again though. We'll do it properly. Like
Yes.
we'll do a long, and we'll do it with everyone else.
Yeah.
I would-
We'll wear wigs next time.
Yeah.
Wigs
we have to
we'll
bring
wear.
the wigs back.
Yeah.
But until then, congrats on all the success.
Thank
I wanted to say this to you in person
Thank
because in the past 2 years you've done a lot, and I hope that you keep doing what you're doing. And we'd love to have you back whenever.
Thank you so much.
Same.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.